I see a honeybird there. Honeybird.
Oh my goodness. He is going to work.
Yeah, the smallest bird in the world.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever seen one in person. It's a small bird.
Yeah, I took a picture.
Oh, sorry. Maybe I'll go ahead because she like wants to be the lead and lead the way. Yeah, she tends to like not be very careful going around.
Almost.
Amazing. This is my first hike with her. It's like I didn't know they did this. It's so fun. It's awesome. Yeah.
就会 follow here.
Hi. Yeah, we can get that.
Yeah, you'll bring our costs down.
Hello. Hi, Gaoya. I'm here. Royal Arch. 中石拱门啊，皇家拱门啊。
Volta no grupo lá, apareceu um monte de gente interessado e no final das contas foi só uma vez.
Hi.
Hi.
I think let's. So next weekend I'm gone, but I think following weekend let's either do Eldora. That might there's some down there like, but they're all it's like the hardest. I saw San Luis in that one. Well, you got to. You can go ahead.
Go ahead.
Oh, that's a lot. Come on.
You are not far away from the arch. You can hide under the arch.
We'll
no
take
rain.
cover.
Yeah, this is cover
Thank you.
under the arch anyway.
Good.
Only like 10-15 minutes away, maybe 20 minutes. Just hide under the arch. Place to hide.
Yeah.
You are rain like 10-20 minutes later. There's no rush to go home. A whole day. It's a nice place.
Do you have any rooms for rent?
Oh yeah, See, rain like this will not last long.
Oh.
Yeah,
I just need a clean room. Like a bed.
this rain should be gone like 10, 20 minutes. There's no rush to go back.
Yeah, right.
A whole day off.
Yeah.
And by the way, here we have internet, so
Ooh,
so nice. If you hike deeper inside the mountain, no internet.
I can watch the basketball game.
Oh yeah, I'm so happy. Nugget for sure they're gonna win. They are stronger.
Team.
Yep, they're bigger and faster. In 20 minutes or 10 minutes. There's no rush the whole day.
That's smart.
And here we have internet anyway, so no, it's not that boring.
Not that boring.
If you hike in a deep mountain, there's no internet.
Just entertainment.
Yeah, just hide here for 10 minutes. Or you can hide under the arch. Yeah, arch, you have shade there. You have the shelter there.
Smart man.
No rush to go home. Your whole day. Hello? Go Buff.
Rain will stop?
Yeah,
When?
I don't know. Summertime, summer rain usually just stop.
Yeah.
We a whole day out by your smart your umbrella.
Yeah. He was prepared.
Yeah, you prepare good. Well, I got whole day off. I have lots of time anyway. No rush to go back.
Yeah.
Just enjoy the mountain. Hello.
Hey,
Hide here. Why you guys don't hide under the arch?
we're already wet.
Wait already, huh?
Yeah.
I was perfect timing. I just come down and
You're dry. You missed all the rain?
just wait a little, not much, just
Yeah.
wait a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
When I start coming down, it's rain a little bit, and
Yeah.
I rush here. Okay, nobody want to stay here. I said,
It's
we have a
kinda
whole
nice.
day. You have a whole day off, and here we have water. We have internet.
Yeah, exactly.
We have so I have internet. I can stay here. The rain will stop as soon as you get to your car. The rain stopped.
Exactly.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Enjoy the cave.
We enjoy the mountain, so we should stay in the mountain longer.
I know.
It start raining. I just hide here.
Yeah, right.
People keep going by. I said, hide here. There's no rush to go back. We have whole day off. And here we have internet. You have water bottle. Just enjoy the mountain. Stay here.
Exactly.
As soon as you get back to your car, the rain will stop.
Of course.
That's one of the Murphy law.
Yeah, that would happen.
Yeah.
Which are pretty similar in the first semester.
Yeah.
And then I could transfer later. And then in the end I really liked it and I stayed and then I did master's PhD and
Nice.
Have you ever had like any of the calculus sequence stuff where you did the meteorology?
no, I did meteorology directly. Like I started with it.
Was it?
Sorry, I didn't understand your question.
Oh, before you started taking meteorology, like
So I started right away with meteorology.
okay, gotcha.
So I tried like with the 3 semesters for master's. And then in the fall I entered.
Why you got rush? We have whole day off. As soon as you get back to your car, the rain will stop. Just wait a little bit. But this guy maybe think you are wet already. But I just had lucky to come down here. It start raining. I just hide here.
Best plan
And we have internet here. If I have internet, I'm all fine. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
You guys are like 20 minutes away.
20 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can hide under the arch.
Okay. Thank you.
然之後美國轉咗嚟落雨啦，落雨足寒哦。我點知轉咗落雨，我轉咗嚟帶雨具。嗱，點樣台灣北上我一定係帶雨具，因為台灣傷著落雨啊。美國即係夏天就轉咗落雨。Hello.
Hello.
You guys said hi under the arch. Why you come down
Yes.
so soon?
We didn't think it was gonna stop anytime soon.
Yeah, it will soon. It will stop.
Yeah.
You found a
Summer
good
rain.
place, though.
Summer rain, you won't rain for long. As soon as you get back to your car, the rain will stop.
I know. That's how it's gonna be.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Hello? Hello?
Still down here? Waiting it out?
Yeah, I just got lucky. I come down here and it started raining. I just wait. We have a whole day, no rush to go back. And we have internet here and lots of time. You guys are like 20 minutes away.
Oh, cool.
Like a quest.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello.
You guys are like 20 minutes away.
What?
20 minutes.
Okay. Cool. Thanks. We're back.
Cool. I thought that 20 minutes ago.
Right?
You can hide under the arch.
Right.
Lots of people up there.
Yeah.
I just lucky when I come down here, it start raining. I just wait a little bit. Ah, sure. Raining on the baby. That's very. Like you really love hiking.
He was in Becky's group, so she was a chaperone, and because at some point they're just like standing there and they turned to her and
Hello.
Elon Musk. She was like, "What? Oh,
You come
hi.
down already?
Yes.
Yeah.
Most of people just hide there, hide under the
coming
arch.
back.
Some people are coming back, yeah.
Here is better shelter.
We're wet already. So
Yeah, so just keep going, huh?
no problem.
I was lucky. When I come down here, it start raining. I just
You're
hide
totally
here.
dry.
Yeah.
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 I might be there for a while.
We have whole day. Why people keep rushing? You have whole day off. There's no rush. There's no Nugget game tonight, until tomorrow. I really enjoy the Nugget right now. I love them so much. They're going to win the championship. I'm just so happy.
You gotta make it down and watch the game.
Tomorrow, not today, so there's no rush.
Okay, bye bye. Have a good day.
Well,
你还要再等一会儿。
我在等你们呢，一起下去啊。张敏我认识啊，
哦，张敏你认识？
嗯，
哦，认识张敏。
对，张敏让那个《天龙八部》，嗯，我等你们回来啊。整天放假，没不急啊，时间多得很。他去朝圣了，他去科州科州他们那个佛教有盛会，去那边朝圣了。
哦，所以他请假3天啊。
嗯，他礼拜一才会回来。
哦，在哪里啊？
Houston，
哦，在 Houston。
他信佛教的啊。
哦，对啊，这个我知道。
对他们那个，我是爱爬山，我等你们下来，现在大概也比距。
对啊，你这个。
不，你这件背心蛮好，东西都带。
对，这人家钓鱼才有在弄的，我就
啊，钓鱼的东西哦，所有东西都。
没有，我就爬山回来。
There was like Cockney accent, and then there was like Thai posh or whatever. But I didn't realize there were heavily written. So many spectrums between them. I can, but other people. I mean, my classmate Johnny.
但是那个地方有很多 trail， 可以到那边去 trail， 在你那。
什么？
哦，在你那。那边也有很多 trail， 很多 trail。所以 Colorado 很好啊，对你来说。
哦呀，I just love Colorado。或什么跑来，你手机拿出来就来不及了。这是一个 camera。
什么叫 camera？
camera。
我知道 camera， 它怎么拍啊？